Hello people, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to take down protective style with minimal breakage. Sometimes taking down protective style you can actually lose all the length that you have gained, so I'm going to show you how to take it down the right way. Rule 1, you do not want to start on dry hair. Always make sure you go in with water first or a hair mist. I'm using the Q-Care hair mist, and I make sure I go in thoroughly through my hair. Next, I'm going in with my leave-in conditioner. I make sure that I put this leave-in conditioner down to the ends of my hair, because now we have to prevent any single strand. If I could prevent even just one strand from leaving my hair, I will. So I went in with the leave-in conditioner and also brushed away my edges. For the takedown, I'm using a rat tail comb, and I make sure I'm very extra careful when I'm in this phase, because I do not want knots to form while taking down the braids. I also make sure that I finger detangle each section before using a white tooth comb to brush through my hair. And there you have it. This is before properly detangling, and this is after properly detangling. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to follow me on all my social media platforms. Bye guys.